Welcome, guys, to today's trading transformation. Trading transformation, bro. Fuck. Trading recap. Actually, I took a loss today on NASDAQ in London session. So I'm gonna firstly go over what my thought process was in London session, and after that, going to go shortly over what happened in New York session. And at first, news today were kind of crazy. We had a lot of news. We had non-farm here. Unemployment rates. We had just some high high volatility and high risk news, which are not really good to trade. So I already was kind of thinking about not taking a trade in New York session, so I just considered taking a trade in London session, which didn't really work out as well that good. As you can see, we just fucking ripped in New York session. But yeah, so my bias for London session was longs. I wanted to take out those highs. I think maybe those highs. Wait, just let me enable my drawings. Yeah, no, I wanted to take out these previous all-time highs, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, those previous all-time highs. And so what happened was, for my strategy, I need a high time frame liquidity sweep or something like this to go further and search for an entry. And this sweep happened around 4 in the morning, which is a long time ago because session starts at 9. And if we look at the 1 hour, this is the low that was made, and this is start of London session. So we swept the low right here, and this is a high. So the sweep was created here, and we kind of used the bullish momentum to take out these highs. So this sweep wasn't valid for London session. So this was my first mistake I made. I used this as a valid confluence, and ultimately this led just to a bad trade. But you can see here, this was also pre-London session. We have this 1 hour order block right here, which I didn't see. And yeah, I don't know why I decided to go long right here, because I mean, we have the wrong 1 hour lick sweep. We have the after session open, 5-minute break of structure, and from there I wanted to see a 5-minute confluence, which we have right here, this 5-minute gap. Yeah, and we have the equilibrium. So after it, the 5-minute gap getting hit, I scale down into the 1 minute, and from there I'm waiting for 1 minute break of structure or inverse fair value gap, which, oh no, sorry, oh wait, I wasn't willing to enter off the fair value gap right here. I wanted to enter off the order block because it's just a better risk to reward. And after order block and equilibrium got, man, fuck this. After both got hit, I wanted to see a 1 minute break structure. We had really good bullish displacement out of all of this right here, which kind of gave me confidence for the trade. I entered off this 5-minute, 1 minute inverse rally gap and the break of structure right here. But unfortunately, we did not move any higher than this. I think I risked 5. Yeah, I think I risked 5 micros on this. Yeah, about 5. I made a loss of 180. How the fuck did I lose 180? Yeah, wait, maybe it was something like more like this, probably. Yeah, something like this. Uh, doesn't really matter because I lost $180. Yeah, how can I learn from this? Basically, if I, bro, what the fuck? If I would have like stuck to my strategy and didn't use this sweep for continuing my strategy to trade, I could have waited for the 1 hour order block, which we've hit right after my trade. Probably I would have gotten stopped out either way, but probably I wouldn't even taken the trade if we hit this 1 hour order block. We have 5 minute break structure. What do we have here? This, yeah, this is too small of a fair value gap for me, so no real entry. So yeah, I would not have taken any trades. Yeah, so it's just stick to my strategy. I was getting a little bit greedy because I won so much in the last few days and I knew I wasn't going to trade New York session, so yeah. Now, for New York session, we have this 1 hour order block as our high time frame bullish confluence. And we pushed really high because of news. This was at 14:30. I think this, yeah, unemployment claims was this, or jobless claims. Yeah, everything here. Non-farm also. All of this made this big move right here. This big candle. Um, yeah, we used all of this 1 hour order block, this 5 minute gap, to continue higher. And at session open, I didn't trade it. But we created this 5 minute fair value gap right 5 minutes after market open. We also hit it instantly almost, and off from these lows to these highs, we had an equilibrium, which also is for bullish confirmation. By the way, I didn't take the trade, but this is probably what I would have taken if I traded the session. So yeah, from hitting the gap, after that I want to see, as I've just said, 1 minute break structure or inverse fair value gap, which we've got right off this candle, but I wouldn't have entered it because I don't know. I think I for sure I would have waited for price to come back down, and I would have had my limit order sit right here about something like here. So yeah, all in all, it would have tapped back in. So if I would have taken the trade, with 5 contracts, this would have been my best day yet, making a profit of 1,200. Also, yeah, I might take profit because we are at all-time highs. These are the previous all-time highs. We broke above them, and yeah, because of this, my take profit was 100% Fibonacci extension of the last swing which we got. So from these lows to these highs, I can demonstrate it quickly. Yeah, so this would have been my take profit. As you can see, we hit it, and right now not really doing much. So this would have been a really good trade, but yeah, was not my winning day today. I mean, lesson learned. Losses are here to improve and learn. So I'm not mad. It's just kind of dumb for me to lose this trade, and after that see this nice winning trade but not take advantage of it. But yeah, that's about it, everything I want to say. I hope you guys have a nice day, and bye bye.